this special video, we will be doing a ride along the Q88. This won't be any other ordinary, normal ride on the Q88. As we'll pass by this Ride van in just a second. This interesting ride will actually be a detour. That's right. We are going to be detoured along the Q88 going to Elmhurst today because there is a water main break in House Hills at 216th Street and 73rd Avenue. It's been like that since 11 o'clock this morning. So this is affecting buses in both directions, eastbound and westbound. Westbound going, of course, to Elmhurst, to Queens Center Mall, and eastbound going to the Queens Village Long Island Railroad Station, where, of course, some people do go there to head westbound to Atlantic Terminal in Brooklyn to avoid overcrowding at Jamaica. They're probably not going to make an announcement on the bus, but I want to film it because it's interesting. I don't want to wait in the sun, so I'm going to go to the parking garage. So right now I'm waiting for the 150 bus to Kew Gardens Union Turnpike Station. I'll be getting off at Springfield Boulevard, and I'm going to take the 88 to go home. Now, I don't care if I have to wait today. This is important. I got to cover this because, again, local media will be nowhere to be found, so I have to do their job today. Seriously, whenever there's a major story, someone should alert the media immediately. You know, someone should, but nobody wants to do it anymore. So I figured I'm not going to complain and just do my job as a citizen and report the real news, what's going on around our precious borough. So right now I need to know the time. If I can't pull it up, then that's not good. Okay, it's 1:46 right now. So I think I learned the trick how to do that. I think you can only do it once with this camera. So it is 1:46. So hopefully the bus will show up on time, because I got here early to see if this bus will even show up on time, because lately it doesn't show up on time. This is supposed to be the normal 150 that goes to Kew Gardens, and it shows up late lately, like 8 minutes late, which is crazy because we have a lot of people waiting here. We got, at least counting a kid, we got one, well, I'm not going to show the camera, but we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. Counting me will be 7 people already on this bus. So 144 was already supposed to be here to pick up these people, and now we're going to have an overcrowded bus. We're going to have an overcrowded bus because, once again, I know I don't want to rant about Queens Village, but I have to today. They're going back to their same old antics. Shame on this depot. But literally, we should have all been on a bus right now. I would have waited for the next one. I would have said, I'll pass 144 up, 150 won't be overcrowded, and now it's going to be jammed. Oh, I don't want to rant, but the whole point of this video is to show you all the detour. And I'm expecting delays on the 88 today. I'm expecting it, but the good news is on bus time, it is on the bus time. So they did mention the detour, because I'm thinking a whole water main break, that takes hours to fix. I mean, if we're back on 73rd Avenue, it's like, whatever. I mean, I'm not impacted, but I'll quickly mention the detour. So westbound, I'm going to be going along. So we're going to be making a left on 67th Avenue by Dunkin' Donuts. So I believe that's where the Dunkin' Donuts is. I don't remember on the top of my head right now, but it's right by Dunkin' Donuts. We'll be making the left over there. We're going to be passing by PS 44. We'll be passing by that school, and corresponding stops will be made along 67th Avenue. So the summer school kids are actually going to be happy about this in a way, but that means my bus is going to get jammed. So once we get along 67th, we'll be making a left along Bell Boulevard, left on Bell Boulevard, and then we will be making a right to the normal bus stop in front of the Windsor Pharmacy on 73rd Avenue, which is across the street from Key Food, the supermarket. So, yeah, that's going to be the details of the detour. It's the same way opposite. It's just that eastbound buses have to make a left onto Bell Boulevard, and then they make the right onto 67, and then they continue along Springfield Boulevard that way. So that's a perfect detour because, you know, 2 lanes of traffic, you know, double line, of course, it's whatever, but still, it's better than nothing. And I'll mention, last week I tried getting this bus, right? And I almost missed the 88 last week. I almost missed the 88 last week because of their antics. So, again, I don't know what's going on. We were supposed to have a bus here. There's no bus. So I'm going to put the camera down and just take a look at my schedule, because this video may go longer intended than it has to. Well, it's official. 2 runs have went missing. 144 didn't show up, and now 150 isn't even here. And guess what? We have a Norfolk bus illegally parked on MTA property again. So, again, they've been doing this for years. You know, the Norfolk buses have to stop parking here. Because literally, this is technically MTA's property. This is technically owned by the MTA. Like, MTA has this whole stretch from right over here where it says buses only. It's not supposed to be Norfolk buses. If Norfolk wants to put their buses here, you know where Norfolk can put their buses? Right there. Or just tell these 2 vehicles to move, so that way Norfolk can at least have its own spot for buses. Yeah, it should be MTA separation, Norfolk separation. It could be worse. They would have to make us walk all the way down Lakeville just to get a bus. Which, again, I'm just at a loss right now. I'm literally at a loss with this depot. Like, I'm not going to wait in the sun. Why would I want to wait in the sun? Why would I want to wait in the sun where it's humid, number one? I mean, there is a breeze out here. And number 2, it's like too many people. All right, we have a bus. This better be it. So it's definitely the newer model, of the LFS. Sure, this will be getting USB charging today. So let's see, is it picking up passengers? Because I'm probably going to be the last to get on board, because there's going to be a line. Now, I could pass this one up, but then here's the problem. What if 203 doesn't show up? Literally, what if 203 doesn't show up and I get stranded out here? Let's see, are we even getting picked up? I can't even tell. I can't even tell. The driver doesn't even have his sign on. I don't even want to walk down there. Let's see, is he letting passengers on board? Let's see, I think he is. Let's see. I have the camera up. I'm telling you right now, they're not going to pick us up. Oh, never mind. Look at that. That just changed. Just changed. And we're leaving late. And we're literally leaving late. Again, Queens Village. Shame on you. Shame on you. There should have been a bus at 144 to pick up all these people. I shouldn't have to be in an overcrowded bus right now. 144 means 144. This is supposed to be headway management. So I'm going to get on board, and let's see if I get any luck on the 88. All right, so we're on the 88 right now. And we're going to try to see if we can take a look at 73rd Avenue and see if we can get a look if any vehicles are blocking the roadway right now. Yeah, up ahead we have a Con Edison truck, so I don't know. I mean, we're supposed to be going straight right now. Yes, we are going straight. And look, you can't see it in the distance, but they just have vehicles there right now on 73rd. So now we will be making our way to 67th Avenue right now. So I'm going to switch seats so we can get a better view of what we're looking at. I said, you won't see this anywhere else but here, because remember, the local media is not going to cover this. So here we are, we're coming up to 67th Avenue. Oh, okay, so Dunkin' Donuts is another block up. Oh, I remember. So now we'll be taking this all the way to Bell Boulevard. Going all the way to Bell Boulevard right now. Up speed. I don't know, that might have been a Verizon truck. Here we are. PS44 on the right. Back on our regular route, 73rd Avenue. And we'll be picking up passengers right in front of our normal stop, which is the Windsor Pharmacy. We now have to wait for a red light, but I'm going to see if we can get a look at it one more time from this side. Now switching seats again, so I do see another Con Edison work fan over here. Oh, okay. Okay, so it's official. It's closed between Bell Boulevard and Springfield Boulevard because of the water main break. So I understand why Con Edison's here. They probably had to turn off the power. Oh, back to my seat. That was a hard break. So here we are, right in front of Windsor Pharmacy. Now it's so hard to literally get my shots. I can't get my shots because one angle I can't do it that way, and another angle I can't. So. Now, I also want to mention, I tried filming me waiting for this bus. But the problem was there was a guy who was lost and he wanted to get to the Q87, and I had to tell him that my bus was going to Elmhurst right now. So we're back in our regular route. It's probably going to be the same way eastbound like I mentioned before back at LIJ Hospital. Oh, you know what? This is a good shot. I can actually see the vagrant is here today. Now, let's see if he's around today. He's probably hanging around here. He normally likes to keep his stuff around the bathroom. Alright, some stuff isn't around the bathroom. Oh, we're coming up to him, folks. I see the vagrants. Yep, he's here today. He always hangs around this area. Yep, and there he is. We finally got him on camera. Finally got him on camera. I just don't know why when people drive by, they don't call 311 to report him. No? I'm not going to do it again because here's what will happen. Department of Homeless Services will come. They won't do anything. I had to bash them, but still. Alright, that's going to wrap up this video. I'm almost home. So, just a little update regarding this detour here along the Q88 today. So thank you all for watching. Till the next one, please take care.